Welcome back to the channel, everybody. As it's beginning to turn into winter here in Northern Virginia, I am going to try and start doing more and more woodworking videos for everybody. And I say try because I am still developing my woodworking skills. I don't have very many tools at all. I don't have a table saw. I have a donated miter saw, which is sitting right there. So in trying to develop my woodworking skills, I have begun amassing some tools. And in doing so, I have these hand planes right here. I've been watching tons of YouTube videos, and through other channels affiliated links, I have bought some tools from Katz Moses 3x3 Customs, and this is an Empower sharpening station. And as you can see, they are still boxed. But what this video is about is this plane right here. It's a Stanley No. 5. This is a Sweetheart era plane. And I bought this off of eBay. And when I bought this off of eBay, I knew that it had one flaw. And I was very well aware of that. And I was hoping to do a collaboration video with another YouTube channel. So this is me calling out a woodworking channel that knows how to do restorations on hand planes, or a metal fabrication channel that knows how to do welding on cast iron, because this is the flaw. The sole has a major crack, and as you can see, I can flex the body so that crack is through the entire body. So I would like to bring this hand plane back to its former glory and be a great user, because I have a few other old hand planes. I have a No. 3, a No. 4, and a block plane that I'm not sure what the year is yet. And every tool that I acquire, I plan on using. So I want to be able to use this plane. Again, if you have a woodworking channel and know how to do the restorations of this, if you have a metal fabrication channel and know how to do welding on cast iron, please reach out to me. I will pay to ship it out to you, and hopefully we can do some sort of collaboration. If not, worst comes to worst is there is a metal fabrication shop in Fredericksburg that I will reach out to and see if they are able to do it. And if they can't do it, I have a backup plan. Or if they think they can do it and it's too expensive, I still have a backup plan. What I will end up doing is getting another Stanley No. 5 Sweetheart era plane, and then at least this way I will already have a backup knob, lever cap, chip breaker, iron, frog, and tote that I can use as spares for another plane. So if you know how to do any of the restorations for this plane, please reach out to me and let's make something happen. See you on the next video, folks.